Are you aware of the common myths surrounding tonsillar or oropharyngeal cancer? If not, then you have tuned into the right channel. Hi, I'm Dr. Vineet Kaul, Head and Neck Surgical Oncologist at CK Birla Hospital, Gurugram, and today I'm here to debunk a few myths about tonsillar or oropharyngeal cancer. So myth number 1 is that surgery has no role in tonsillar cancer. That is not true. ये सच नहीं है. And with the advancement of surgery, advancement of technology, we have a surgical robot जिसको हम robotic surgery बोलते हैं. We perform a particular kind of surgery called TORS, transoral robotic surgery with that robot. The advantage of robot is we don't have to give any cut on the neck. हमें बाहर से neck पे कोई cut नहीं लगाना पड़ता है. Through the common opening in the mouth, we can remove the tumor. So previously people did not do surgery for tonsillar cancer, but with this we are able to improve the quality of life of patients taking therapy for tonsillar cancer. Myth number 2. Only smoking or alcohol consumption can lead to tonsillar cancer. No, that is not true. Smoking and alcohol are definitely a major factor. In 70% of the cases they play a role. लेकिन 30% of the cases में हमने ये देखा है that a particular kind of virus called HPV, human papilloma virus, is responsible for the cancer. Such people have no history of smoking or alcohol consumption also. This is the same human papilloma virus जो आपका cervical cancer भी cause करता है. So yes, if you don't smoke or don't take alcohol, still you can have tonsillar cancer. So you should take the vaccine for HPV. Myth number 3. Chemoradiation has to be given in all cases of tonsillar cancer after surgery. After we do TORS या फिर TORS over robotic surgery, हमें हर केस में कीमो रेडिएशन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. साइंस हमें बताता है that these days after surgery when we have the pathological report, we can de-escalate the chemoradiation treatment. इसका क्या मतलब है? It means that we sometimes don't need to add chemotherapy and don't need to do radiation for as many days as we used to do previously because the outcomes are better. So when do we de-escalate? We de-escalate in cases that are HPV positive, यानी जो human papilloma virus वाले जो cases होते हैं tonsillar cancer के, उनमें हम de-escalation करते हैं. Myth number 4. After transoral robotic surgery or TORS, one is not able to eat or speak properly. लोगों का ये मानना है कि अगर थ्रोट सर्जरी होगी, चाहे वो रोबोट से करें या किसी और औजार से करें, तो बोलने की और खाने की एबिलिटी यानी चली जाती. अगर हम आपके थ्रोट कैंसर के लिए रोबोटिक सर्जरी यानी टॉर्स कर रहे हैं, we ensure that after surgery you are able to speak and eat properly. So how do we do it? We do not damage your voice box during this surgery. So your voice remains intact. Other than that, whatever part we remove along with the tumor, we reconstruct it so that you are able to eat all types of food, be it solid food or liquid food after surgery. And with what we are seeing today, that a lot of people are benefiting with the advent of TORS or transoral robotic surgery.